Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm tired of hearing people who says few are aspirant should never be in social media. So what I did was simple. I just made my Instagram productive. Want to know how I did? Let's go and check it out. In order to make your Instagram productive, you have to follow 3 main steps. Step 1. List down the pages in which you wasted your precious time. Step 2. Unfollow them and just follow your friends whom you used to chat. Step 3. Find useful pages which helps you to achieve your goal, like PIB, Hindu, which gives you the feeds of day-to-day current affairs. I do follow some philosophical pages for the quotes, which will be useful while writing our essay. Now, reload the page. Now you got your feed stuffed with full of information, which will surely help you in your exam. And I also do follow some civil servants for motivation. Every single time I see them doing their work, it boosts me up. So I hope this video was useful for you guys, and I wanted to tell you that if you have any queries regarding this UPSC, you can ask me in both Instagram chats or in the comment below the video. Let me see you in another video. Until then, signing off, it's your Goku.